We helped this roofer generate 70 leads at a cost per lead of 20 bucks. This is extremely insane. I've never had cost per lead this cheap in the roofing industry. And let me run some numbers with you to explain to you why it might be this cheap. So here's more detail about the data of this campaign. And the main focus that I want you to look on is here at the bottom. This says CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions. And this is basically what Facebook charges you for 1,000 impressions on your ad campaign. Now, this really varies from one place to another, and I'll explain to you what this variance is caused by. And so, this variance is mainly caused by how many people are advertising in your industry in the city you're in. So, for example, here our cost is $11.78. That's how much we have to spend to get 1,000 impressions. Now, in some other places, other roofers in bigger cities, this cost is 5x or 6x. Like sometimes it's $60 to get 1,000 impressions, $50, $40. That's typical whenever you're running ads in roofing because it's a very competitive industry. A lot of people are advertising. So this really determines your cost per lead because it'll take you more money for the same amount of people to see it. So if you're in an industry that's very competitive, in a city that's very competitive, you might not get a cost per lead this cheap. Your cost per lead might be even higher. Like in some cities where roofing, for example, is competitive, the cost per lead goes up to 50, 60, sometimes even 100. So it really depends on competition. And if you're somewhere that's not very competitive, your costs are much lower.